When you hear the word side hustle, what pops into your mind? Becoming an Instagram influencer? Going viral on TikTok? Maybe day trading crypto from a beach in Bali? Yeah, sounds flashy, right? But what if I told you there's a quiet, underrated side hustle that's making everyday people over $4,000 a month? No fame, no followers, no tech skills needed. Let's talk about reselling secondhand items online, and how you can start for free with a professional website from Rocon. Reselling might not sound sexy, but it's seriously profitable. Here's the deal. You buy cheap items from thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance racks. Then you flip them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Depop for a higher price. It's simple, it's flexible, it works. Take Maria, a 34-year-old former teacher. She started with just 50 pounds, bought a few vintage coats, and started reselling them online. Today, she earns $4,200 per month. She told me, "At first I thought I'd just make some pocket money, but now, it's my full-time income." And she's not alone. There's Tom, who flips vintage electronics. He's pulling in $5,000 a month. Why? Because nostalgia sells. People will pay top dollar for old Walkmans, 90s gaming consoles, or vintage VHS players. And here's the best part. You don't need any special skills. Seriously, just a phone and internet. Look up prices. Learn what sells. Emma, a mom of two from Leeds, started with zero experience. Now, she can spot hidden gems in 5 minutes flat. This hustle is for real people. People like you. Now let's talk about what makes this hustle so great. No huge investment. Start with just $30. No fixed hours. Do it on evenings, weekends, or lunch breaks. No boss. Just you, your website, and a little hustle. James, a graphic designer from Manchester, said it best. "I list items while watching Netflix. I thrift on Saturdays. That's it." Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. Imagine this. You found a groove. You're flipping items and making sales. But what if you want to look more professional? Stand out from the competition? And maybe even build a brand? Well, that's where Rocon comes in. Rocon is offering free website development just for side hustlers like you. No design skills needed, no tech headaches, just a fast, modern website built by professionals that helps you list your top products, build trust with customers, take your reselling hustle to the next level, and did I mention, it's 100% free. Seriously, zero cost, no strings attached. So if you're already flipping, or you're just thinking about it, don't wait. Let Rocon build your site, and you focus on growing your hustle. Click the link in the description to get started. Because your side hustle, it deserves to look like a real business. Remember, you don't need to go viral to win. Sometimes the unsexy path leads to real freedom. And with Rocon by your side, building your site for free, there's nothing stopping you. Go find those hidden treasures, flip them, and own your financial future. I'll see you on the profitable side. See you in the next video.